Before we dive into the latest AI trends, don't miss free AI resources in the description and subscribe for the latest trends. Microsoft launches the next wave of Microsoft 365 Copilot, enhancing productivity. Copilot Pages debuts as a dynamic canvas for AI collaboration. Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook receive AI-powered updates. Copilot agents automate business processes. Over 700 product updates and 150 new features have been added this year. Copilot Pages will be available to Microsoft 365 Copilot customers and free users with a Microsoft Entra account. Excel now supports Python for advanced data analysis. PowerPoint's Narrative Builder assists in creating presentations. Teams Copilot tracks both spoken and chat conversations. Outlook's Copilot prioritizes emails. Word's Copilot references various documents and apps. OneDrive's Copilot finds information across files. Copilot agents are AI assistants that automate tasks. Agent Builder allows anyone to create a Copilot agent. Customers have seen significant time savings and productivity gains.